Grow radishes at home, easy and fast. Ready to add a zesty crunch to your meals? Growing radishes is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. Let's dive into how you can cultivate these peppery delights right in your own home. Radishes are more than just a colorful addition to your garden. They're packed with vitamins and minerals, offering a healthy boost to your diet. They're a fantastic source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. One of the best things about radishes is their incredibly fast growth. From seed to harvest, you're looking at just about a month. This makes them perfect for impatient gardeners and those seeking quick gratification. Imagine the taste of a radish you've grown yourself. The freshness and flavor are simply unmatched. Store-bought radishes can't compare to the crisp, peppery bite of a homegrown radish. Let's gather everything you'll need to start your radish growing adventure. Having your materials ready will make the planting process smooth and enjoyable. First, you'll need radish seeds. There are many varieties to choose from, including round, oblong, red, purple, and white radishes. Experiment to find your favorites. Next, decide where you'll be planting. You can use a container, a raised bed, or even a small patch in your garden. The choice is yours, depending on your space and preferences. Good quality soil is crucial. Opt for a well-draining potting mix if you're using a container, or amend your garden soil with compost to improve drainage and fertility. You'll also need a watering can or hose to keep your radishes hydrated. Consistent moisture is key to their rapid growth. A trowel is optional, but can be helpful for planting the seeds. It makes creating furrows and covering the seeds much easier. Now for the fun part, planting your radishes. Follow these steps for a successful harvest. Start by preparing your soil. Make sure it's loose and well-draining to allow the radish roots to grow easily. If you're using a container, fill it with your chosen potting mix, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Radishes are best sown directly into the soil. There's no need to start them indoors. Create furrows about half an inch deep in the soil. These will be the little homes for your radish seeds. Space your seeds about 1 inch apart in the furrows. This gives them enough room to grow without overcrowding. Alternatively, you can broadcast sow the seeds, scattering them evenly over the soil surface. If you do this, you'll need to thin the seedlings later. Lightly cover the seeds with soil. Gently pat the soil down to ensure good contact between the seeds and the soil. Water gently but thoroughly. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Radishes need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Choose a sunny spot for your container or garden bed. Caring for your radishes is simple, but consistent attention will yield the best results. A little effort goes a long way. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells. Radishes need consistent moisture to grow quickly and develop plump roots. When the seedlings are about 1 inch tall, thin them out so that there are about 2 inches between each plant. This gives them enough space to mature. Weeding is important to prevent competition for nutrients. Keep your radish patch free of weeds to ensure your radishes thrive. The moment you've been waiting for, harvesting your radishes. Get ready to enjoy the fruits, or rather, roots of your labor. Radishes are typically ready to harvest in 3-6 weeks, depending on the variety. Check your seed packet for specific timing. A good indicator of readiness is when the tops of the roots are visible above the soil surface. You should see the round or oblong shape forming. To harvest, gently pull the radishes up from the soil. They should come out easily if the soil is loose. Wash the radishes thoroughly to remove any dirt. Now they're ready to eat. Enjoy your fresh radishes in salads, sandwiches, or as a crunchy snack. They add a peppery kick to any dish. Here are a few extra tips and tricks to help you become a radish growing pro. These will help you maximize your harvest and avoid common pitfalls. Consider succession planting. Plant a new batch of seeds every week or two to ensure a continuous supply of radishes throughout the growing season. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to split radishes. While they need consistent moisture, too much water can be detrimental. Choose the right variety for your local weather. Some radishes are better suited to cooler temperatures, while others can tolerate warmer conditions. Growing radishes at home is an easy and rewarding experience. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy fresh, flavorful radishes in your meals. Now it's your turn. Give radish growing a try and experience the joy of harvesting your own homegrown produce. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.